Meaning of Hobart.
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 Hobart. Hobart is a city located in the southern part of Australia, specifically on the island state of Tasmania. The city was founded in the early 1800s and has since grown to become the capital of Tasmania. With a population of around 240,000 people, Hobart is a vibrant cultural, political, and economic hub. The city is known for its natural beauty, historic architecture, and thriving arts and culture scene. It is also a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from all over the world who come to explore its rugged wilderness, picturesque landscapes, and rich history.